Imagine spending weeks reading hundreds of research papers only to discover someone in another field has already solved your problem. Every year, millions of scientific papers are published, making it near impossible for researchers to keep up, identify contradictions, or uncover opportunities across disciplines. As a student researcher myself, this is why I built Research Nexus, or RNexus, an AI-powered platform that doesn't just find papers, it reveals the hidden relationships between them. It's quite simple to use. A researcher simply uploads a paper, then pastes in the title and abstract. For instance, if I wanted to do this with my paper, I would just upload the title and abstract straight off any simple paper publishing platform. It also takes DOI and arXiv links. While it's analyzing, I'd like to highlight a couple key features of the product. First, it summarizes the key findings of a paper. Secondarily, it identifies research gaps within the field. Third, it identifies contradictions between that paper and other papers in the status quo of research. Fourth, it references cross-disciplinary subjects that the paper could reference in the future. And finally, it talks about future papers that you can write upon and improve. It also generates a neat little graph which clearly showcases how the field is moving in the current direction, talking about the primary paper and contradictory ones, supporting ones, the research gap, and future papers. It's especially key when researchers are referencing reference papers. When I'm reading a reference paper, for example, I clearly need to see A, what does the reference paper actually state? B, are there any gaps in the field that the reference paper isn't addressing? C, are there contradictions between the reference paper and other papers in the status quo that I can clear up in my paper? D, connections between the reference paper and other papers in the field. And finally, future papers that I can write and build off of compared to that reference. It's extremely practical for all researchers. And beyond innovation, Research Nexus is designed to be a common everyday use tool. It integrates trusted sources like arXiv, ResearchGate, and the OpenAI API key, and is built using Firebase hosting, Firestore, and Tailwind CSS for a sleek UI. Researchers can generate citations, compare competing studies, identify collaborators, and even tailor explanations for students, professors, or investors. Research Nexus transforms lit review from hours of searching into just minutes of discovery. I'm building an AI research partner that helps researchers like me discover the next breakthroughs in the future. Thank you.